we have Voice of Social Media Award, LinkedIn, and the winners are Dr. Ridhima Kamal.
So we have Dr. Ridhima, who have won Voice of Dental Media LinkedIn. Congratulations, Dr. Ridhima, and she is Ridhima's mom. So we can say that this is also a family functions that parents are also coming. So Ridhima, I wanted to ask, why did you choose LinkedIn as your main platform?
So LinkedIn for me has nothing less of a miracle, and since I chose this platform because it actually gives me an opportunity where I can bring in my personal experiences as well as my professional interactions. And since LinkedIn has always been a platform for me where I can bring in the professionals, communities and organizations together and can create a discussion forum for them to talk, communicate and share our voices. And for me, LinkedIn was not like a place where I was creating content, but it was a place where I was creating an impact and where I was trying to bridge the gap between the professionals, policies, communities, and organizations. So yeah, that is why LinkedIn, and it has worked wonders for me.
So true, so true. Also, I wanted to ask that, like, what do you think about this dental spotlight event?
It is a wonderful opportunity, it's a wonderful platform for dental professionals like us who have been trying to create something different and trying to outshine in so many ways. Because there are a lot of times when we try to confine ourselves to our clinical practice, 9 to 5 practice, and we don't get an opportunity to explore something else, something new and something more exemplary. So I feel Dental Spotlight was hosted by MediStudy Go, Dental Cart. It's been a beautiful platform. I got to connect with a lot of professionals, and possibly since I chose LinkedIn, and LinkedIn always works about empathy, innovation, and collaboration. So Dental Spotlight is going to work more of a collaborative effort for me.
So true. So my last question for you is this: like, who is your inspiration? Of course, auntie is your inspiration, but who then your parents are your inspiration, I would say. On LinkedIn, or you say, ki, okay, this is my inspiration to be.
Okay, for me, I think I'm not someone who has a role model. Of course, my mom is a role model and she's always been very inspiring. But for me, I feel ideas inspire me more than people. And every time I come across an idea which has a scope of changing the world, I get very inspired with that. I get very motivated with that. Maybe sometimes it comes from Shivani Bhandari, Dr. Shivani Bhandari. She keeps on posting a lot about her travel, her experiences in oral pathology, and she raises her voice. So I get a lot inspired by you. Then I met Dr. Manan Vora. He's been very consistent with his post on LinkedIn and Instagram as well. So I get very inspired from that. So for me, ideas are way more important than people. And since I'm very keen about collaborating and partnering with people and their projects, so not one person but a community, and I think that is what PHPCG are also working for. True. I represent a community, and more than individual effort, I believe in collective efforts. And yeah, thank you. This is my inspiration in LinkedIn.
Wonderful. Thank you.